Good morning. I'm Daniel Joseph representing our team. I've just come to give a basic introduction to our idea. So, our idea is using hydrogen in fuel cells for producing electricity because our world is running short in fossil fuels. Fossil fuels take a lot of time to generate. We are using hydrogen because it has very low emissions, high efficiency, and its abundance. Over to Navan now.
So basically, our world is running short of fossil fuels. These fuels take a lot of time to be produced and their prices are increasing. So hydrogen is a very good alternative to fossil fuels. We can say that hydrogen is a good alternative due to three main reasons: emissions, efficiency, and abundance. Hydrogen fuel cells produce electricity with water vapor as the only byproduct, making them a clean alternative to fossil fuels as there is no carbon pollution. 2. Fuel cells convert hydrogen into electricity through an electrochemical process that's more efficient than combustion. Yeah. It's the most common element in the universe and can be produced from water, biomass, or natural gas. So we can conclude that hydrogen is an ideal fuel. Or to go.
Gokul here. I come to speak about the three main challenges of using hydrogen fuel cell and how to counter them. Challenge 1: Storage and transportation of hydrogen. Solution: Develop safer solid state hydrogen storage materials and localized hydrogen production to reduce transport needs. Challenge 2: Cost of hydrogen production. Solution: Improve electrolysis technology and increase renewable energy sources to reduce costs. Challenge 3: Limited infra. Solution: Focus on local hydrogen generation and integrate with the existing natural gas supply units. That's how we can solve this issue in implementing hydrogen fuel cells in society. Over to Daniel.
Okay, so now I'm going to explain about the working of the hydrogen fuel cell. Firstly, in a normal household cell, there's an exothermic chemical reaction in which there's the release of electrical energy. In a hydrogen fuel cell, the cell keeps on working as long as the fuel and oxygen is supplied. The basic equational reaction of hydrogen in a fuel cell is 2H2 plus O2 equal to 2H2O. We should note that at the end of the reaction, H2O is produced, that is water. So the only emission from the H2 fuel cell is water. So when we compare it to other fossil fuels which release carbon, it is a much cleaner resource. Hydrogen should be used in a fuel cell because of its high calorific value. It produces a high exothermic reaction, releasing a lot of energy. Fuel cells produce electricity with efficiency above about 70% compared to the thermal plants, whose efficiency is just 40%. Hydrogen fuel cells are pollution free and, in our view, a very practical area to invest on. Thank you.